In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add user in Zoho People for attendance. To get started, make sure you are already signed in to your Zoho People account and that you have access to the attendance settings. This process is used to include an employee in attendance tracking, so they can start using the attendance features based on your organization's setup. First, look to the left sidebar in Zoho People and click on Attendance. This takes you into the Attendance module, where you can manage policies, shifts, and who the system applies to. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section, because Zoho People includes several modules that look similar, and it is easy to stay in the wrong area if you move quickly. Next, go to the top menu and select Settings. This is where attendance rules and configurations are managed. If you do not see settings right away, check the top navigation bar in the attendance area, since the option is typically shown there when you are inside the module. Once you are in Settings, return to the left sidebar within the Settings area and click on User Settings. In some accounts, this option may appear as Applicability instead. Both labels refer to the area where you choose which employees the attendance configuration applies to. This is an important detail because adding a user here is what connects the employee to attendance tracking. After you open User Settings or Applicability, find and click the button labeled plus Add User. Depending on your version or layout, it might say Add Applicability. This button opens the panel or window where you can select the employee you want to include. Now use the search field to look up the employee name. Type carefully so the correct person appears in the results, especially if multiple employees have similar names. When you see the right employee, select them, and then click Submit. After you submit, the employee is added to the attendance applicability list. It is a good idea to quickly confirm that the name now appears in the list, so you know the change was saved successfully. That covers everything you need to know.